2023 is the International Year of Millets. This is an Indian initiative to popularize something that we have been consuming for thousands of years. In fact, traces have been found in Mohenjo-daro and Harappa. Millets like ragi, jowar, bajra, etc. are from the grass family, like rice or wheat, but they are remarkable in how they can grow in very dry conditions and do not require fertile soils. Bengal and Bihar were especially known for millet cultivation back in the day. So the question, why did millet cultivation stop in the 18th and 19th century? You see, the British used to import tea from China, and the Chinese only took gold and silver in exchange. So this was causing a balance of payments crisis. So the British decided to smuggle opium into China and use that money to buy tea. And the best opium poppy used to grow in Bengal and Bihar. And unfortunately, the millet cultivation season coincided with opium poppy. So the British forced the poorest agricultural laborers to stop growing millets and work on opium farms instead. And this had devastating consequences. It changed the diet of Bengal and Bihar away from millets to mostly rice and wheat. When those crops failed during bad monsoons, millets could have saved those places from the horrible famines they continued to experience for the next century. So British colonialism got the Chinese addicted to opium, while Biharis and Bengalis starved to death because they were forced to grow opium poppy instead of millets.